Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantae and this is Beauty 10.0. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And make sure you comment down below, let me know what you want to see next. Thought I heard something. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I get this look, make sure you keep on watching. So I'll jump right into this look using my Makeup Revolution concealer and C12. And this is to prime my eyelid. I'm gonna use Dulce. This is the shade right here. That's my transition shade. And then I'm gonna go into Vintage right afterwards. So Dulce, and then you gotta remember I look at the camera, not look at myself. Camera, not myself. So I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush and Dulce, and a little handy dandy mirror. We use this one first. Now we're going one down. Go right on top of that. Same thing, mostly packing it on first, just to get that color. Okay, now I'm satisfied with the color. I'm just going to blend the edges with whatever product I have left on the brush once again. And now I'm going to go in with like a pencil brush. Right in the crease. Not blending, just packing the color on. Getting it as dark as possible. And making sure you can still see it when you open your eyes. And now we got the color on there, we're just gonna blend up. Go back into Vintage and blend it out more. And just going back and forth until you are satisfied with the payoff. Cause I know you want. Okay, so that's nice and blended. For now, don't worry, we go back in and blend some more, but we go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And so this one. So I'm gonna take my concealer, and that's C12, and cut the crease, hopefully. So now I'm going to take, so this was the cocoa that I put in the crease to darken it up, but now I'm going to take Royalty, this one right here, and put it all over said lid with a flat eyeshadow brush. First, let me do my inner corner highlight. I'm going to use Slime, this shade right here. Of course, I'm blocking the whole eyeliner action. Now I'm going to matter that black to make this crease a little bit darker. Before I put the glitter on. It's pretty much all about constant blending, like constant blending. Eventually, it all comes together. This one. And my NYX glitter glue. Glitter. Lashes. Well, guys, I gotta fix this liner because this one drives me freaking nuts. Here it is. Did I really just do that? Yes, I did. I made it even worse. It was friggin' before. Just great. Sort of kind of soft. We'll see. Go back into matter. And darken this up here. And take a fluffy blending brush with nothing on it and just blend. Get dark with the light. I'm gonna do my face and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I was so obsessed with how my foundation and everything came out. I forgot to even say anything. So if you guys want to see the foundation routine, make sure you subscribe so you can get notified when I post it next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.